plus with our input B. For this part, after that, we can see the output. The output will be the multiplication with the input A. So this one will be 8 multiplied with A. And from here you can see it's connected to the multiplication with our input of Z. That's why we have dot Z. So we can like simplify it to be a Z, B plus CD. So this is step by step from a circuit. You can come up to your Boolean expression. So let's take a look several examples here. We have, first of all, we have C input dot with input D bar. C dot D bar. And the output will be meeting the additions with the B bar. C D bar plus B bar. And the output will be multiply with the input of A. Multiply with A. From here, it's going to add with the input of, this one got another A bar dot B bar dot C. So here will be adding. So the final answer will be C D bar plus B bar A plus with the A bar B bar C. So this is your Boolean expression for this circuit. So let's take a look into several examples B, C, and D. For here we have input A dot with our input B bar. And this one will be adding. We have the input of A dot C dot D bar. Another input will be A dot B bar dot C. So all together you will add and your final answer will be X equal to A dot B bar plus A C D bar plus A B bar C. Okay, easy part I think over here. And C. We have C dot D bar and we dot again with our B bar. We have the additionals here with our input of A dot B bar. A dot B bar. So you get the Boolean expression. Now, what else you have? Another one is D. D over here. We have A multiply with B bar. Adding with our A dot C dot D bar. A C D bar. Easy. So from these 4 example, do you have any question?
Tak ada, Doktor.
Okey, faham Yang faham ni nanti bila tanya soalan tak dapat buat, siaplah. So dari situ kita dah tak nak tengok, we're not going to see how from logic circuit to the Boolean expression. So we go to the new things which is from Boolean expression, we want to create the truth table. These all listing here, sentences here ni semua saya dah ajar banyak kali, which is if you still remember the very beginning things that I teach you, this part is when you apply and learn on gates, which is starting from your module 1. If you remember, we have AND gate. Let's say AND gate, NOT gate, and also OR gate. For OR gate, I said to all of you, you always have one input. If one input, I inform you that you're going to have to the power of 1. What is 1? 1 is the total number of input you have. This is one input only. And how many possibilities input that you might have to the power of 1, you will get 2. Why is 2? Because if you have input x here, x as input, you're going to have only 0 or 1. So only these two possibilities. And of course, your output also will be 1 with the two possibilities 1, 0. And if you still also remember when you are learning the AND gate, you have 2 gates. I also mentioned to you that you can have the possibility of 3, 4, 5, 6, and infinity. And throughout all your input here, you need to know how many possibilities for your input value. So now let's take a look. If you have 2 inputs, only 2 inputs, you're going to apply the equation. How many possibilities you're going to have? To the power of 2, you're going to get 4. What is these numbers? Which is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. Still, I already also mentioned to you what is this number are. This one is referred to 0. This is 1, 2, 3. And continues. So you have 0 until 3 and altogether is 4 positioning possible combinations that you might have for your input. Let's say you have 3 inputs. Of course, you're going to have to the power of 3 equal to 8 possibilities. What is the list of number from 0 to 7? This is decimal, I already mentioned to all of you, and this is binary terms, which is you're going to have A, B, C as the input, 3 inputs, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. What is this? This is referred to 0, this is referred to 1, this is referred to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you convert from binary to decimal, from decimal to binary. So this is the value and the possibilities that you have for your input. Similar to also if you have to the power of 4 to the power of 5, which is 4 inputs. And this is 5 inputs. So from here, you need to draw your, I just want to until up 4 only. But later on, sometime in your final exam, you can up to 5. So please make sure you know how to make it the truth table. So for 4, it is also quite long because you have 16 possibilities, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay, this is all together 0, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Macam tak cukup je. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All together is 16, including the 0. So this is the input side. After this, you're going to have the output side. For creating the truth table, you need to have input, you need to have output. So that is the first thing that you need to know. And this one we already repeat several times how you can get. Next. Okay, this is the simple versions. I also already teach you on the get. Kalau I tak cakap dekat you how to draw also, you know already because you dah hafal, you already remember the truth table, how it look like. Of course, it's going to be A, B, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. And the truth table is following the condition of O gate is going to be only 0 if both input is 0, 0, but the rest will be 1. So this is your output. Let's take a look over here. And you can see you have 2 inputs and 4 possibilities of numbers from 0 to 3. And your output will be 0, 1, 1, 1. Now, in terms of step, because just now, this one is very simple and you know it already. If you have like very big and complicated Boolean expression, you still can solve it by using a manual way. By using a manual way to do one by one. But instead of using the manual way, can you just speed it up? Let me see. Let we see the solution. Step in contributions. Constructions of truth table. Step 1. Identify the X and N. This one we knew already. And steps 2. Okay, this is my important because you can see it's asks you to find values of variables that make the expression equal to 1. Okay, for this one, hence use the rules of Boolean addition and multiplication. Of course, you only have these two. Okay, for this one, this is only for you to know how to construct the truth table. Later on in your next subtopic, you're going to learn POS and SOP. That's why later, let me show you. Okay, now you just want to see the one, right? The one output. But later when you have the 0 input also, you might consider. I just inform you. So janganlah you blame I. Let's say, hey doctor, last time you said step number 2, it's only to get the 1 value. But now you said 0 for the output of 0 also we can take a look. That's why it's later when you know how is the Boolean expression for POS, how the Boolean for SOP. Example, okay, I give you. F equal to AB plus BC. This is SOP, Boolean expression. Sometimes you were given the long Boolean expression and they want you to represent it into your SOP term. And POS, how the POS, it will be like A, B, B plus C, D plus E, this one is B, D, and etc. So there is a difference between this POS and SOP. For SOP, your Boolean value will be 1. POS, your Boolean will be 0. But later we will look into all of this. For now, we will using the normal things, which is the normal Boolean expressions that you always use. Now we need to fix with 1 first. Step number 3. List in the table the AND combination 1 and 0, which is your input, and you draw the variables step 2 for your output, and all the other output will be 0. What is the meaning by your step 3? Let's take a look. Okay, for this example, it gives you okay, for this example, it gives you the F equal to A, B plus C, D. Okay, from this part, you can see the big factorized here is B plus C, D. And for this side, it's like F equal to A dot B. Or I don't want to use that things. X dot Y, which is AND gate. Okay, first thing you need to know the step 1. This step 1 we know already. It's easy for us. But this is our step 2. Okay, from this you can see there is a dot, which is X refer to A, Y refer to B plus CD. For step 2, it asks you to get F equal to 1. How to get 1? Your X must equal to 1 and your Y must equal to 1 also. Then you will get the output of 1. Right? So, how to get 1? Let's say I have this A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, zeros. Okay, panjang sikit. Give me some time to draw it. Kalau tertinggal, bagi tahu Okay, from here, you can see if F want to get 1, X must be 1. So what is your X is your A. So from here, your X will be your A. So from your equation here, you have A must be 1 to get the possibility of your output to be 1. The rest, if let's say your A is 0, your answer will be totally 0. You're not going to see this because this is AND gate. You nak dapat dua-dua. Kalau this one is 0, of course your answer will be 0. That's why for the rest of 0 here, your output will automatically 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I don't want to calculate it. So that is the first thing you need to know. So easy for you directly. If you want to do manually, later I will show you how. Okay. Just to like in case you want to recheck your answer by using this express step. Okay, then you have A over here, which is the possibility to get F equal to 1, which is this part A already 1. So you other A dot B plus CD. This is already 1. This is already 1 because this scenario. And the rest, how to get this part to be 1? B plus CD. This is OR gate. OR gate means if, let's say, you have at least 1, you will get 1, isn't it? So it doesn't matter, let's say you have B, C, D. If my B is 1, my CD, okay, CD is 0, you will get also 1. Second, if your B is 0, you have the CD as 1, you will get 1 also. Another scenario, if you have here is 1 and your CD will be 1, you will also get 1. But another one, kenapa I tak ikut turutan ni? I don't want to make you confused. Okay, because there is 2 input, you have the positive of 0, 0, you will get 0 for addition or OR gate. And this one, of course, you're not going to see because this one is 0. We want something that make it 1, right? So if it is 0 and your C1 is 1, you will get 1. If your B is 1, your CD is 0, you will get 1. If your B is 1, your CD is 1, you will get also 1. So there is these 3 possibility to get 1 here. Because you want 1 and 1 for the F to get 1. So how? So here you can see there is 2 similar things. When you have B is 1, whether your CD is 0 or your CD is 1, you still get 1. So that's why you go directly when you have B as 1, your B as 1, whatever value for your CD, you will get 1, 1, 1, 1. It is only refer to A is 1, okay? Because the rest is already 0. Next, for this scenario, you have 0 and also you want to have 1 for your CD. Your B will be 0. These 3 scenario. You need to see these 3 scenario. Which one will get 1 and which will get 0. For B plus 1, this must be 1. So CD want to be 1, it must be 1, 1. So let's take a look CD as a 1 and 1. Saya rasa macam tak cukup lagi ni. 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, this part will be 1. The rest will be 0, 0, 0. So this is how you can directly creating this true table. Without you jump there and jump here. You can see if you need to do it manually, of course you're going to be like this. A, B, C, you draw the true table. And after that, you need to have CD here. After you get the value of C, satu input tertinggal. A, B, C, D, and then you need to have C dot D, which is AND gate between C and D input. You need to check like your CD input value, let's say 0, 1, 1, 0. For multiplication, here you get 1, the rest will be 0. And after that, you have B plus CD. OR gate, you refer to B and compare to your CD. Let's say B is 0, CD is 0. Your output will be 0. Your B is 1, your CD is 0. You will get 1 and the rest. After that, you have A dot this B plus CD. This is your final answer, which is referring to this A and refer to this B plus CD table. You will get the answer here. So you can see step, step, step. There is several steps. Instead, by using this step 1, 2, and another one is 3, you can directly get this truth table. How? You can see over here first, you know it is a 4 input. You draw the 4 things, which is altogether 16 from 0 to 15. And second, you need to come out this thing to get f equal to 1. How to get the equal to 1? You can see a dot b plus cd. This one is referring a dot b plus cd. This must become as a 1. If it is 0, totally you get 0. That's why upper here, you get all your answer will be direct to get 0 without looking the BCD. So fix A to be 1. So this is the possibility to get 1 for your F. Next, what makes B plus CD to get as 1? So this is the 3 things that I showed you. B can be 1 plus with 0, which is your CD, you will get 1. If B is 0, your CD is 1, you will get also 1 because this is OR gate. If you have B as a 1, CD as a 1, you will get also 1. Then you can see whenever you have B as a 1, you always get a 1, although your CD is 0 or also 1. That's why whatever value 1 here, later on, you will get 1, 1, 1, 1. After that, you can see you have these possibilities. For B equal to 1 or 0. This is the table. So now, after you have all this 1, 1, you're going to look into this part, which is B plus CD. B as a 0. Your CD must become as a 1. So how to make CD to be 1? You need to get 1 and 1 for the input CD. So CD must become as a 1 when B equal to 0. B equal to 0, CD is 1, 1, only this part. So that's why here will be 1. That is the only condition for this. The rest will be 0. Okay, any question?
No, so far so good, Doctor.
Okay, thank you. So now you can see this part I already also share, although it is deep. You can see if you have 0 to n minus 1, you're going to have n 16. So the possibilities numbers from 0 to 15 and etc. This one I believe it is 3. Okay, now just now you learn on Boolean expression and logic circuit to truth table. Now you have the vice setting from truth table. You need to come out with the circuit. Over here in the equation, normally you only were given with the truth table. This is the only table you will be given with this truth table. And from this truth table, you need to come out with your logic circuit. How to know it? First step, you need to look into the output of 1 only. So from here, we have this one and this one. Second step, this is done by, I don't want to read. Okay. Second step, look into the input. I have 0, 1, 1 and 1, 0, 0. it will get 1 and 1 for my output. This one I got 1, this one I got 1. So what meaning by 0, 1, 1? So if let's say you have 0, it represents the vice versa of your input here. If this A, it will be A bar. If your input is B, it is 1, then it B. If your input is C and the value is 1, it's referred to similar. Then plus with A, B bar, C bar. Why it is bar? Because it is 0 and 0. So your Boolean expression, it will be A bar BC plus A B bar C bar. From this side, you can draw your true logic circuit. So no need for me to like drawing it one by one again, because it's very easy for you to creating the logic circuit. We see another example. You were given with this truth table. First thing, what you need to know is you need to find the value of 1. Okay, this is the value of 1 for my output. This is output 1. And this is also another output 1. Now I have the value 0, 1, 1. What is 0, 1, 1 means? From this input, I have the toggle which is A bar because it is 0. B and C because my input is A, B, C. Next, I have 1, 0, 1. And I will get the output of Boolean expression will be A, B bar, C. Another one is 1, 1, 0. I will get A, B, C bar. So this is my Boolean expression. From Boolean expression, it's easy for you to draw the logic circuit. A bar multiply with B and then C. All of the input will be OR, and you have several AND gates here. This will be connect to your A. This will be connect to your A. This will be connect to your B bar, and this will be connect to your C. And here will be connect to your A and B and also C bar. So this is how from this truth table you get your Boolean expression. From Boolean expression you can draw your logic circuit. Is it clear?
Clear, Doctor.
Okay, thank you. Now, from your logic circuit, by setting, you will come out with your truth table. But it is a simple 2-step only. Very simple one. You can like read it. Okay, this is from your Boolean expression. You have W dot with your X dot with your Y. W dot X dot Y. And here I have y dot z, and both output will be by addition here. So from my circuit here, I will get my G for my output equal to WXY plus YZ. Okay, how about my truth table? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 input. W, X, Y, Z. Produce to table. Okay. And my G. 0, 0. Okay, this is all my input. You can see what happened is I'm going to have 1, 1, 1, and here is 1, 1. If my input is 1 for my W and X and Y, then I will get the output of 1. So let me check. WXY as 1, 1, 1 doesn't matter the value of Z here, it will be 1, 1. Second condition, when my Z and Y is 1, 1, my output will be 1. So here is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Suppose there is another. Oh, at the bottom part. So here is 1, here is 1, here is 1, here is 1. The rest will be 0. How many 0 I didn't calculate, but you know already only this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the input for F as the output of 1. So let's take a look at the answer here. You can see for X and Y, X and Y, X and Y, and another one here. And if let's say your X, Y, Z, X, W, X, Y is 1, 1, 1, you get also 1. Okay. So easy or not?
Okay, okay.
Okay, okay. Okay, now we will try to do the next thing. Finish already. Okay, now we will play around with our Jamboard. As usual, you got 6 or 7 group. We will do the Jamboard. I provide you with the link. And what you need to do is you need to get the truth table. Wait, I create the Jamboard first. From circuit, you need to come up with the truth table. Okay, following your group, page number 1, question number 1, page number 2, group 2, page number 3, group 3. Okay, I'm sharing the link now. Editor, copy link. Okay, that is a link on the Jamboard. Following your group, as usual, write down your group members' name. Group 1, who is the members? Group 2, who is the members' name, and etc. until your group 1, group 6 here. So there is only 6 pages. If you have another one more groups, you need to ask me, okay? I will add another picture to the page number 7. Okay, you can start now, okay?
Doktor,
Ya?
saya nak tanya Ustaz,
Boleh.
sejak bila kita dah buat grup?
Hah? Tak ada eh?
Ada
Saya rasa
doktor.
Tak ada lagi.
Okay. Oh, you tak pernah buat Jamboard secara grup Sorang-sorang je selalu?
Semua sorang-sorang.
Sebelum ni seorang-seorang juga.
Okay, I nak tengok berapa orang student kat Grab ni. 32, 6 okay lah. Okay, similar to another section, what I ask them to do is you need to WhatsApp personally. Jangan pergi tulis dekat group WhatsApp You kena PM, personal message them. Ask them to be your group member or you want to join their member. So you need to find your own team member and write down your name into each of the groups in the Jamboard. Starting from group 1 until 6 only. So the maximum in one group will be 6 member. You tak boleh ada lebih daripada 6. So if you don't have group, then you kena buat sorang-sorang. Then I will ask you to explain. Cara ni, which is you need to like sell you punya diri sendiri. You kena sell dekat orang macam you nak cari kerja. That's why I ask you to try to find your own group member. Okay, do it now.
Doktor,
Ya.
kita kena buat truth table dengan Boolean expression
You kena come out with the end answer is truth table. Akhir sekali you kena dapat truth table.
Okey, baik.
You kena ada 6 group saja ya. So means kalau you tak cukup maksimum dah 6 orang pun you tak boleh, you kena pergi cari group lain.
Doktor, total maksimum 6 kumpulan ke?
Ya, maksimum 6. You tak boleh, you ada company 6 saja. So kalau you tak cukup, you kena pergi join group lain.
Faham.
Okay. So itu cara dia untuk you sell your market yourself. Kalau dari situ nanti you cari kerja, you kena macam tu juga. Okay, I can see that some of you already finished, especially the simplest circuit. Group 2 finish. Group 3 discussing. Group 4. Okay, now you can see there is basically only two circuit. There is only two circuit here. First circuit is very simple circuit. I guess this one is the simplest. From this part, you can see. Okay, let me check one by one. I check the simplest first. Okay, from here, you have the input of A and then oops. And then you have A. You have A and then A bar multiply with dot B. Your output will be N again with your C. This is your solution. It's very easy. So you can see from this, you can draw the truth table. When you have 0, 1, 1, then you will get 1. The rest will be 0. So simple. 5 minutes also you can answer it. That's why I can see there is several groups do the similar thing. Kalau ini salah pun tak tahulah nak cakap. Very simple. But there is a circuit which is much harder. Ya Allah, kenapa nak refresh banyak kali ni? Okay, this is the hardest, I think, on the circuit. And you can see that several of group are having some different answer. And this one, you can see also, okay, this one will be getting 0 and the rest is 1. Another group, similar also. So only this one group. Okay, I'm trying to do it again. So let's discuss on this question. Okay. From this question, how can I get the truth table? First of all, of course, I'm going to get my Boolean expression first. So this part I have A plus with my B. And here I'm going to plus again. Plus with my input of A bar dot C. A bar dot C. So is it correct, this one? From here, you have, let's say your output will be X. A plus B equal to, plus A bar C. This part is easier for you because I already share you the step, which is if A is 0, C is 1, your answer for your output will be 1. So let's take a look into the truth table, only simpler because you have 8 possibilities only. A, B, C. And our output. So when I have 0 for my A, 1 for my C, I get the output of 1. 0 for my A output is 1, C is 1, my output will be 1. So, but what happened to this? How to solve this one? Later, you also will learn POS, which is you can look into their 0 part. But I don't want to share with all of you that step yet because you might confuse. For this part, you can see A plus B, which is O. Or get. If let's say you have like 1, 1, what happened? If you have 0, 1, what happened? So it's similar also. But you can also use another rules. I forgot rules number 5, I think. If you have C plus C bar, which is equivalent to 1, then you can also get like AC plus AC bar plus BC plus BC bar, which is equivalent to your A plus B. If you simplify, this one I just make it bigger so that I see basically what is inside of this. Why I multiply with C plus C bar? Because this is equal to 1 and it doesn't affect my value of this A plus B. And why C? Because I have another input which is using C. Then that's why I want to check the value of C. From this, if you have 1, 1 for A and C, you will get 1. A, 1, C is 0, 1 and 0, you will get 1. B, C, 1 and 1. B and C, 1 and 1, you get 1. Here is also 1. B as 1, C as 0, you will get 1. Here you will get 1. And what else? You have got this and this 1, 1, 0. 1, 0. This part, 1 and 0, you get 1. 1 and 1, you get 1. So all of this, you done everything to meet all these possibilities. Then the rest, if not meet these solutions, you will get the 0. That's why later on you will get 1, 1, 1, 1 for the rest of the input. And for A plus B also, like this, you can have like whenever you have 0 for the A, but your B is 1, 0 as A and B as 1, you will get 1. If your A 0 and B is 1, you get 1. If your A is 1 and your B is 1 also, you will get 1 and 1. If you have 0 for your A and 0 for your B, of course you cannot get 0. You cannot get 1, so it is 0, 0. Another one, possibilities, 1 and 0. 1 and 0, you get 1. 1 and 0, you get 1. So from this part also, you can find the solution. So this is on how you're going to get and solve your truth table. I guess most of you got correct also. No problem at all. Any any problem? Let's take a look, I guess. We touch a little bit on our next subtopic, so then you can like have an overview what will coming later. Okay, from here you can see from this simple, okay, from your simple rules. Okay, this is for B module. From this simple module rules, you're going to see you need to simplify this long expression. So how you going to apply this? Okay, marilah kita bermain-main dulu. Alamak, you dah nampak answer dah. See, you cepat-cepat screenshot kan? Mari kita bermain di Jamboard. Siapa? Tak ada soal pula. Kita start dengan page number 9. Page number 8. Okay, page number 8. Siapa grup siapa yang cepat selesaikan dia menang. Okay, page number 8, group number 1, page number 2, page number 9, group number 2, page number 10, group number 3, page number 11, group number 4, page number 12, group number 5, and lastly, page number 13, group number 6. Okay, simplify this expression using your Boolean rules. You gunalah, okay, saya provide lah you dengan dia punya rules dia yang sedia ada kan. Saya letak dekat on top of your page. So bolehlah you refer dekat situ. Siapa dah habis je cakap, saya dah siap. Tahu?
Dah siap?
Ya, mana? Mana? Tak nampak pun yang dah siap. Oh, group number 6 ya, yang last kali ni. Aku rasa ni betul. You screenshot jawapan saya.
Tak. Usaha.
Usaha. Group lain kalau dah siap bagi tahu so this one is nombor 1. Alah kenapa? Nombor 1. Macam mana saya nak lukiskan? Okay. This is award. Nampak tak hodoh? Group number lain mana? Belum lagi. But yakin ke anda dengan jawapan? Sebab saya tengok ada soalan yang group lain yang bagi jawapan lain ni.
Entahlah. Tak tahu.
Kedua siapa? Habis je bagi tahu. I nak scroll tengok ni. There is several rules you can apply. So sometimes you apply different rules, but at the end you get the similar output.
Doktor, group 1 dah siap.
Okay, group 1 nombor 2. Sampai ke garisan pernamat. Group 1. Okay, this is the medal for you. Wait, aku lukis medal. Group nombor 3, finish. Group nombor 1 yang mana? Oh, group nombor 1 this one. Dah tertukar dah nombor 2.
Number 5 finish kat madam.
Okay. Okay, senang kan? Saya tengok semua dah siap kat sini. Now let me share the screen. So you can see starting from group 1. So group 1, what rules? Okay, you did first for this part. You can see you have multiply this A with B, and then A with C, B with B, B with C. So you have step by step, you got 1 mark like this. If you didn't show this step, normally you lost this 1 mark. So next, you got this thing, and this, I can see this will be A plus B similar, which is using your equation A plus A equal to A. So you apply that one. And after that, you have A, C, plus this one is B dot B. Rules number 7. You got another 1 mark. So from here, you did the factorize for this and this. Okay. And you have B. Oh, this one. Okay. And you have this one is B. You factorize this 1 plus C. From this one, you use the A plus 1 equal to 1, which is number 2, rules number 2. So you got another marks. Then from here, kenapa you buat ni? Itulah, in the purpose kat sini pun I dah pelik dah. It's okay. So then you add with B, you can simplify this with this one. B, you factorize with 1 plus A. Then you use the similar rules number 2. Then you get this part. Lastly, you will get B plus AC. So correct. So congratulations. Let's check another group. Okay, for this group, you have, okay, first step also correct. You make it bigger from this. Alamak, tak boleh dah. Sekejap, refresh. Okay, now this step is correct, which is similar. After that, you apply this P dot B equal to B, rules number 7, correct? And then what you did is this and this, A dot A, still also similar, which is A plus A. Rules number 5, A plus A equal to A, which is AB. Correct. And after that, okay, you didn't put this step. Okay, you lost 1 mark. Deduct 1 mark, okay? Because you don't show me your step. How come directly you get B plus BC, you get B? B plus BC, you get B. Oh, you are using this step. you use this step step number 10. Okay, I see. That is, I understand. So you can see just now, group number 1 didn't apply step number 10, isn't it? But group number 2 are applying this step number 10, which is A plus AB equal to A. For this scenario, A will be B, A will be B, and B will be C. That's why it get B over here. From this 10, you can also factorize it, which is using similar your friend group number 1 did, which is B1 plus C. Then you apply the rules number 2. But in this group, they didn't apply rules number 2. They are directly using the rules number 10. And then after that, you are doing this again. Rules number 10. You didn't do any factorize. Rules number 10. Then you get the final answer. Okay, congratulations directly. Yeah. Group number 3. Let's take a look. Okay, this one is normal step, is correct. And after that, what you did is you are doing this step number 7. Number 5. You get AB. And here, B dot B, you are applying 7. Then you get correct. C, you are applying the rules number 2, similar to group number 1. So you are using also rules number 2 here. And directly you get the answer. So correct also. Now, next group number 5, which is similar here. Okay, group number 5 are using the directly step number 10. I don't know whether in the purpose you see the 10 numbers 10 or you just didn't write the step here. I don't know, but this is the step number 10, rules number 10. So also correct for each of these. And group number 5 are applying rules number, ya Allah. Okay, group number 5 are applying the rules number 2 also. You can see from here, they show one by one the step, this good. You have one mark here. And from here, you are using the rules number 5. And you copy the answer here. Then step by step, you are using and apply this step number, rules number 7. And after this, you doing the factorize, you apply the rules number 2. And from here, this group is good because they write very detailed. Directly, they didn't directly go to the answer, but instead they put the value inside. See? So it's very detailed, all the step is there. So it's easy for you to understand. From here, you can see you can do the factorize again. And this a plus 1 equal to 1. And finally, you get answer. So congratulations. So we have a very detailed in step. Last groups, which is yang paling laju tadi. Kita tengok dia punya jalan kerja. We have over here, okay, step 1, and from here, tak buat lagi. Okay, they solve this first, step number 7, rules number 7. After that, they solve this rules number 5. And from here, they are directly use this rules number 10. After this, they are using the rules number 10 again. So this is the final answer. So congratulations to all. You can easily get the answer. So tak perlulah saya ajar lagi kot. Semua dah pandai-pandai dah. Okay, this is what you're going to learn in our next subtopic, module 4, still under module 4, but module 4B. You can see you need to apply all these rules, but as mentioned, you have a possibility to use any rules, which is 7, 5, 10. Some of you are using the rules number 2. It's depend on you as long as you can lastly simplify the Boolean expression. So now you don't know basically how the final answer, right? You tak tahu sama ada your answer is correct or not. Later you going to learn on CAMAP, but we're not going to look it today. What else? We just go through. You can see you have exercise on this long example. Later we try to solve this together. And there is also another one you need to simplify. Okay. Then you can see the things that I showed you just now. You will learn on SOP and POS. Sum of product and product of sum. I forgot this one. You know, I don't like to remember the term, right? So what type of the Boolean expression for SOP and how the POS look like? Just now also I already shows you, but later we will learn in our tomorrow class. So any question? for the simplification version. Tomorrow tak boleh habis. Banyak sangat ni. So any question?
Okay, madam. Okay, doktor.
Okay. Okay. Kejap saya rasa bosan. Asyik benda yang sama. All G. All good. G is what? Great. Good. Saya tengok dekat sini ada beberapa orang tak buka kamera. Imtiaz. Yes.
Saya tak tahu kenapa. Saya dah buka tapi dia tak tunjuk.
Oh, dia tak tunjuk.
Saya tak tahu kenapa.
Tak apa. Muhammad Haikal. Kaizing tak boleh you baru buka nampak Kaizing. Chun Tek Yo pun baru buka. Muhammad Haikal, where are you?
Ya, doktor. Technical problem.
Oh, technical problem. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 student ni saya pasang lagu keunggulan terbilang. Okay, macam biasa kita akan ada penyanyi group song. Sekejap saya share YouTube. Test dulu you dengar ke tak?
Grammarly does more than catch errors.
Dengar,
With
doktor.
Grammarly, you can find really good.
Dengar
Boleh dengar.
Okay, boleh dengar. So, kita start Tak dengar suara, saya suruh ulang. Okay, kena semangat. Saya tak dengar suara. Saya rasa YouTube saya ni lagi kuat. Saya slowkan YouTube saya kejap.
Kita menjulang keunggulan terbilang. Maksudnya kita semua UTM pun tak letaknya.
Kejap. Kenapa I dengar suara Haikal dengan siapa lagi seorang je? Mana Chun Tek Yo? Another one? Siapa tadi? 4 orang
Tutup
Dari
siapanya? Saya?
You need to sing and then you need to open your microphone.
Okay.
Kalau tak kita tak keluar kelas lagi ni. Okay, start back.
Cik tak?
Engkai, Haikal, lagi seorang Syafiq
Syakib. Kita menjulang keunggulan terbilang. Kemajuan kita mustahil. UTM tak letaknya. Terbaik keilmuan. Kawan beriman. Kita bersama tanpa cita-cita. Kami anak kandung UTM rimbun benau. Usaha kami tambah kau bersada ilmu. Teman berjuang
Berjuang tawaran iman arah ketemuan
penyelidikan tulisan kepentingan khidmatan kepada watan.
Di sini kami berdiri setia pada janji
Takwa berbudi bahasa dan sanjungan bangsa
UTM
sanjungan bangsa.
Okay, thank you semua tepuk tangan. Barulah semangat. Tapi macam tak semangat je. Yang lain semua saya tengok kawan-kawan you bosan je dengar you nyanyi. Aduh, hai. Okay, I think only that for today. Thank you for your participants. Stay safe and bye-bye.
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you, Doktor.
Tomorrow got class, okay?
Thank you, Doktor. Thank you, Doktor.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank you, Doktor.
Thank you, Doktor.
Thank you, Kaizen.
Thank you juga Cing Hong yang last minute buka kami ya. Doktor, Cing Hong juga last minute buka kami ya.
Ya ke? Saya tak perasan.
Ya.
Okay, tak apa. Esok dia boleh nyanyi.
Okey, jumpa lagi doktor.
Okay, bye.
Doktor, berjumpa lagi kita.
Ah,
Saya tanya soalan
okay, tanya.
dekat